Hi, my name is Shilam, and I'm the product manager for Sampling Scope. When the industry is moving from 400 gig to 800 gig or 1.6T, the standard PAM4 compliant tests and test hardware are remaining the same, but the lane count is actually double from 4 lanes to 8 lanes or more to test. The Keysight Flex OTO software will optimize the test efficiency and increase the test hardware utilization to reduce your validation or manufacturing costs for high lane count testing. The software will increase high channel count test system with up to 128 ports using a variety of optical switch solution and easy to trade off throughput and test system expand to achieve lower cost of test. The software provides advanced features such as acquisition and analysis disaggregation, parallel acquisition and analysis, job timing diagram, optical path calibration, compliant test assurance, and many more. Curious about Keysight Flex OTO? Explore it further by clicking the link below.